Hi, I'm Passante, founder of Sugar and Charm, where we're all about charming entertaining. In the new norm, we've all had to learn how to up our cocktail game at home. So today, I'm going to show you how to make a super simple island mimosa using ingredients I store in my brand new Café Beverage Center. Made for the refined home entertainer, this refrigerator is beautiful enough to be a showpiece in the kitchen or a bar area. So let's open it up and grab our ingredients. I'm loving the LED light panel and Art Deco inspired geometric pattern. And it holds a lot, up to 14 bottles, 26 cans, and best of all, it can store up to 4 1.5 liter Magnum bottles without scratching the labels. But my favorite part is the built-in Wi-Fi. Using the Smart HQ app, I can remotely adjust the temperature and light and put it in lockout mode, so I can get an alert and an alarm sound anytime the door is open. Super helpful to know if my boys are sneaking another soda pop. So I just redid my kitchen and I was really drawn to the look of Café appliances. They come in a range of finishes and customizable hardware options. As you can see, I chose stainless steel appliances with a brushed bronze hardware that perfectly fits my style. Everything turned out super charming. I love how the beverage center sits flush right under my waterfall. Popping the champagne is always fun. So let's make this cocktail. You're gonna add about 2 ounces pineapple juice, then add 3 ounces of sparkling orange soda, and some Prosecco to make this delicious island mimosa. So the cocktail is done. Super simple to make, only 3 ingredients. Let me try it. Yay! Cheers!